Hi Oksana, I just reviewed your video on polygraph lie detector tests. You did a very good job of covering a lot of your bases. I like how you use the history of the polygraph test. I think that's very useful and it'll be useful in your paper. You covered a lot of information, which is very good. One thing I think you can expand on a little is the controversies. One thing I didn't hear you mention was how people are taught to beat these lie detector tests. And you did mention the validity in different areas. I like how you're sectioning your paper off to how the lie detector polygraphs tests are used in the three different areas. Um, but yeah, I think you should definitely focus a little bit more on the controversies or where it's at modern. Your paper seems very history laden. I didn't really hear where the modern part of the technology is now, or maybe any future plans of how they plan to expand the use of lie detector tests. Will it only be used to detect, lies and criminals? Maybe it could be used in other ways. Have you come up with any of those things? I mean, just to give kind of an overview of, the technology part of the use of lie detector tests, or the purpose of the lie detector test, if you could find some of that information. Otherwise, I think you have a lot of information, and you seem to be very knowledgeable on what you're talking about. I think overall you're doing a good job.